Application of Hindu law. Introduction. Hindu law is one of the oldest personal laws in India. Hindu law has evolved from ancient sources to modern sources of law. It governs the personal matters of Hindus, Sikhs, Buddhists and Jains, their children, and persons who convert or reconvert to the Hindu religion. It does not apply to Muslims, Christians, Jews and Parsis, or to any person whose personal matters are governed by any law other than Hindu law. Personal matters include marriage, divorce, adoption, maintenance, inheritance and succession. Thus Hindu law applies to all persons who are Hindus by religion or follow Hindu religion. Persons who are considered as Hindus by law, like Sikh, Buddhist and Jain. Persons who converts and reconverts to Hindu religion. Children of Hindu parents. Whether the children are legitimate or illegitimate. Children who are brought up according to Hindu customs and belief. Persons not governed by other personal laws. Judicial definition of Hindu. In Yagna Purushdas v. Mulders, 1966, the Supreme Court held that Hinduism is not a strict religion but a way of life, a collection of beliefs and philosophies, and does not have a single founder or a rigid doctrine. The persons who are Hindus by religion or follow Hindu religion includes followers of Shaivism, Vaishnavism, Shaktism, followers of Arya Samaj and Brahmo Samaj. Buddhists, Jains and Sikhs are considered Hindus in the eyes of law, and the Hindu Marriage Act, 1955 applies to the personal matters of Buddhists, Jains and Sikhs. These religions are treated as Hindus for legal purposes. Section 2 of the Hindu Marriage Act, 1955 clearly provides that the Act applies to Hindus, Buddhists, Jains, and Sikhs. A person who converts to Hinduism and a person who reconverts to Hinduism is also governed by Hindu law. Children born to Hindu parents and where one parent is Hindu, and the child is brought up as a Hindu is also considered Hindu. Illegitimate children if they are brought up as Hindu are also Hindu and governed by Hindu law. Illegitimate children are those born from a relationship that is not recognized as a valid marriage in the eyes of law. Hindu law also applies to persons who are not Muslims, Christians, Parsis, or Jews, and who are not governed by any other personal law. Hindu law does not apply to Muslims, Christians, Parsis and Jews because their personal matters are governed by separate personal law.